Right there, my name's Brian Joe, and I'm going to show you a quick video of what to do with bath panels that have been getting weathered with the water and all that from the bath. I don't think we need baths anymore, you know? Only dirty people wash apparently. And with the climate change, I tell you what, I got up the day, it was so warm, I nearly never took off my jumper the day, that's how warm it is. Never heard of in August, you know what I mean? We're in a jumper in August. Alright, so what we do, cover stain, first off, cover stain, bosh. Then, we're going to use eggshell. The reason we use eggshell is double durable, mate, yeah? Bath is a gaff, place of business, you know what I'm saying? Get knocked about, shoes, whatever, bang, 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 use that, covers the stains better. So this is a quick job. Not too long. I'll show you how to do it now. Right, my name's Brian Joe. Like, subscribe, do what you want to do, what you got to do. Streaky marks coming down it. He's also getting a bit of weathering and all this. So I'm going to show you the best thing to do for these bath thingies. What we're going to do is we're going to put on some damp proof paint. It's also like a stain blocker. So stop all that, because let's face it, look at it, it looks proper moody. To all my Iraqi subscribers, that means it looks well off key or something. Alright, so I'm going to show you what to do. I'll make that looking rather spliffing, right? To my yuppie supporters, that means looking pucker. Right, so first off, we're going to quickly put down some masking tape, because we don't want to get some of this blocker on the floor. Alright. Is there any skills and all that to masking tape? Not really, just get up close. I like to do it in segments sometimes. I find it easier when you're taking it off. It stops it ripping all the paint off sometimes, I find. Sometimes I do them in like kind of 30 centimetre segments, 30 centimetres, what's that, about 15 inches? Alright, that's sorted. There you go, that's how quick you can do that. Step 2, after the masking tape, got a cloth wiped down. These knee braces, mate, they're a must, mate. I don't care how long you've been painting, or if you're just doing it just for your own personal thing, mate. Get them. You save your knees, man. You save your big time. Right, I'm just going to quickly dust this off. Quarter later, I've got driving back cramp. That is painful, isn't it? I don't want people thinking I'm some old granny or something on it. Right, so put that all dust down. It just helps the paint stick better and all that, so always get that in when you can. Sometimes you just get off that real horrible stubborn stains, you know? Scuff marks, boot polish, whatever you want to call it, yeah? God. Alright. Then next up, we're going to use the cover stain, the Zinder one. Once you open it though, give it a really good stir. This stuff's it's quite treacly. I tell you what, it's got a little bit of a smell of this stuff. So I advise, if you're going to do it early in the morning, you know. Possibly later on. Possibly. No. I mean, it's not a terrible stain, but it's not a terrible smell. It's definitely, you know, you can smell it, you know what I mean? We used a foam roller for this one. It'll work better, this stuff. Remember, this is just a coat, and then we'll put the gloss on after. So just get it down. give yourself probably a little bit inch from the wall as well, yeah, because that's where you're going to do your bit of cutting there as well. Put masking tape on it as well if you're not confident in your abilities. Or just, sometimes it's just nice to have that safety net, you know. I like to use these plastic throwaway trays as well. You just get bang for your buck. It just saves just carrying loads of other trays around. I don't believe anyone likes to spend their time cleaning plastic paint trays, you know. There's just better things in life to do, like watching paint dry. And we'll probably get away. We'll get away with just doing the one coat of this. So we'll go along all the way down. It's looking lovely. It's looking good. Can't mate, I tell you, this builder's smoking around here. There's two types of ex-smokers. There's one that can't stand the smell of it. And there's the others that just want to bathe in that nicotine, mate. Just want to bathe in it. Oh, and I'm the second to that, mate, unfortunately. We're just going to cut with a brush as well.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
first coat of the stain blocker. Gonna give that an hour to dry. Right, so the first coat I've got done. I'm sure what? I'm gonna be happier if I put another second coat on it. So I'm gonna put two coats on it. Just gonna bash this one out quick. Remember, this is just a stain blocking thing, so it doesn't have to look like a finished job or anything, right? I want this to look nice. That's why when we put on the glass, you don't want to leave in all the big old streaks coming down your hair, right? Nothing worse than streakiness, is there, you know? Unless it's in the pork form, alright? Alright, so we're going to give this just a quick going over, and then we'll put on the gloss. Alright, it's not going to take too long. All in all, I reckon this will be a 3-hour job, right? And then you can get back to doing whatever you want to do, alright? Remember, thing with painting is always give it that time. Worst thing is when you have it in your mindset, you want to go out in 20 minutes or something, and you start knocking out something. It gets really messy and it gets tedious and it ruins everything, right? Give it the time it deserves. I suppose that is a life quote from Plato, or Pluto. Geezer from what's it called? Popeye. There we go, get him in. So it's going to look nice after. You're going to be wanting to have a bath on the floor just so you can look at the bath panel. That is wonderful. It's looking. I have to admit though, do like smoking though. I tell you, breathing, pucker mate. No more weaseling or nothing like that. I ran up about 15 flights of stairs. Didn't even feel it, mate. I have to admit. This stuff is quite pungent in smelling, whatever your words you want to use. Pungent, progmentation, I think that's a French word for stinky. They're very, what's it called? Sophisticated. I have to admit, bathrooms are a pain to paint, aren't they? Probably the least favourite gaff you can find yourself painting is in a bathroom. There's nothing good comes from it. But again, rewards worth it. Right, so what we've got the two coats on there, two coats of the primer, sealer, stain killer, whatever you want to call it. Well, that's what it is. So what we're going to do now, we're going to do the eggshell gloss. Remember, open the gloss, give it a good stir, a good shake. Treat it like a drink you want to drink or something, yeah? Always have yourself a nice cloth handy. Give it a whack. Screwdrivers, gold dust on here, right? So, give that down. And then, let's get the first coat on. Might need two coats. This took a good hour, I'm not going to lie, it did take a good hour to dry. And I would say, I did two coats, good hour and a half. Looking at it, I'm going to use it to gloss out. Oh, that's nice eggshell. Really, mate, just brightens it up. It's like a light bulb being turned on, mate, yeah? Again, it's not a long job. What are we talking about? A couple of hours? As in the bathroom, everyone uses the bathroom. You're not a painter, like painting's one of them funny things, mate. You start painting, you'll notice all your mates or whoever, they will start painting as well because they'll want to start emulating what you did. So give it a crack, man. Give it a go. Not gonna lie, it's got, like I said, it's quite a powerful smell, that stain blocker. Right, this eggshell's going on lovely. It looks good as well. So I think we'll probably give it two coats.
what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Right, this is the second and last coat. The gloss. That's the eggshell. Bathrooms are a lovely. Instantly, it's just so much more lovely. I know painting is time consuming and it is a bit of work. It's definitely worth it, mate, because it's the most visualised thing you can see. Unless human beings were very visualised people, wouldn't they? We like looking at nice things, nice bright, colourful things like that. Like peacock colour, you know? It's definitely worth it. Give it a go, mate. Get someone else to come and do it for you. I'll come and do it for you. Give me a bell, find me on my socials. I'll come and paint you. It's juicy, mate. Because I am a lovely guy. Zoom, zoom. Lovely. That is it. Looking brand new, mate. Don't repel that. And also, make sure that dries properly before you start having a bath or a shower or whatever, so it doesn't streak. And after, that'll be nice and durable. Be chalk with a tan, mate, right? Alright, finished job. It's nice white. Like I said, it's your bathroom. Just get a nice, no more stains and all that stuff.